Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to see lots more healthy recipes and wellness videos, and follow on Instagram because I'm always making recipes and posting there, lots of different health and wellness stuff, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. And in today's video, we're making some super yummy healthy lunches, so let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing we are making are these mushroom caps. They are so yummy and easy to make. I'm starting off by making a cashew ricotta. So I'm using some pre-soaked cashews, some almond milk, as well as some garlic, antifungal, antimicrobial, and the cashews have nice healthy fats in them. A little bit of lemon for flavor, and it's also alkaline. It's going to aid our digestion. And then I'm going to add in a pinch of Himalayan salt. It balances your pH. It has essential minerals in it. It's great. Then I'm taking some portobello mushroom caps. You want to make sure they're big so that we can stuff them enough. And I really like these. They have a nice meaty texture to them. They're also antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and rich in copper, which gives you a healthy metabolism. Then I'm stuffing the inside with some spinach. I love spinach. Not only does it improve digestion, but it's alkalizing as well. I'm using some Rouse sauce. This is a super clean one. You want to make sure you get a clean sauce, putting that on the top and then spreading it out. You can stuff this with whatever you would like, put on a pizza or in a lasagna, and just stuff them like that. I'm doing like a vegan one today. And then I'm putting that cashew ricotta on the top. And I love how this tastes. This cooks. You won't even miss the cheese, I promise. I bake those and then they're good to go for lunch. They're little portable. You can have one, you can have two, and stuff them however you like. Next up, I'm making some Paleo Pad Thai, and Pad Thai is definitely one of my favorite dishes. So I'm starting off with almond butter. It's great. It's rich in vitamin E. We got some healthy fats. We got some protein, and I'm using it over peanut butter because it's lower in the GI index. Then I'm putting in some vinegar as well as some fish sauce, and both of these really help make like the base of an Asian sauce, so it's really good. And then I'm adding in some coconut aminos, and coconut aminos are really great for both PCOS and diabetics. That's because it actually has inositol in it, and that inositol is something that's really great for regulating blood sugar, which is kind of why it goes into that. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons in that. Also like that it's lower in sodium. Stirring that up, and then we're going to be also adding in some lime juice, and the lime is very Asian kind of flavor, so just squeeze that in and then stir it up until you get a nice smooth sauce. I'm using a little wok, and I'm putting in some sesame oil and some garlic and just cooking that until fragrant. I'm adding in some spiralized sweet potato for our noodles. So I did 2 large sweet potato, and that was like how many noodles that this gave me. You could also do zoodles here, squash, any kind of veggie really that you want to spiralize and use as a noodle. And then I'm using 2 eggs. If you don't want eggs, you can totally leave them out, but there are commonly eggs in pad thai, so I thought I would put them in. And a trick is you want to make sure you get like free run eggs, and the darker the yolk, the better it is for you, and the more high quality it is. I'm adding in some cooked chicken that I had left over. You could do beef, you could do shrimp. If you wanted, even you could do tofu. I just liked a little boost of protein. Adding in the noodles that we cooked as well as the sauce, and then all you have to do is stir that up. I'm also going to be adding in some cashews because I like a little bit of the nuts in it. I find it really ties the whole dish together. You could also do almonds here, and then just mix it together until everything is combined. And there you have your pad thai. This was so good. I really impressed myself with this recipe, and I ate it all week long. It was delish. And lastly, we're making this egg bowl. It's just super easy to make and full of colors. So I'm using some pre-washed greens. That's something I find helps out when you're making lunches, is like pre-done things. So pre-spiralized carrots or ribbonized carrots, pre-cut beets. You buy the greens that are already washed, and this way you can assemble salads and bowls like this super quickly. I'm adding in some avocado, which is a great healthy fat. It's going to help keep you full. It makes your skin pretty. And then I'm putting in some medium cooked eggs. I don't like hard boiled. I just like the medium cooked. You can even do soft boiled or whatever kind of protein. Some nuts for some crunch and healthy fat because I love crunch in my bowls and salads. Some hemp seeds as well as some bagel seasoning. Just got some flavor. And then I'll squeeze lemon on top of it right before I'm going to eat it. And that's kind of all the dressing I use. But I find that with the yolk and the avocado kind of mushes together and it tastes super yummy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram to see lots more recipes and see behind the scenes of what I'm cooking and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.